Hala came here by the waves. So you'll see Hala growing by the ocean, by the beach, right here in Keaukaha, because the seed floats on the water and then takes root right in that sandy soil.
Please, can you say loud? Loud. Okay, let's make our flower go this way and this way. Oh, let's try this. Oh, it's hard. What else does it feel like? Hard. Hard, and does it feel bumpy or poking? Bumpy. It's bumpy and poking.
Oh, there you go. Yay. You did it! Yeah! Good job.
This is Hala. Everyone say Hala. Hala. Say kabobo. Kabobo. And this little kabobo is going to grow into a big tree, or la'au. Can everyone say la'au? La'au. Down, so that the dirt floats into the dirt. What do we do?